Right guys, today we're doing some Deliveroo on the 07 Central London deliveries. Let's get it. This ain't your average scooter delivery, you know. Let's do a little one of those, shall we? Ooh, she's feisty today. What have we got here? Oh, that's pretty darn close. There we are. That was convenient. Your order is ready to pick up. I hope so. That's the one. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Let's put that this way. Yeah. Make upside down pancake. Now which way? Left. That was Jesus there on a bicycle. This is going to be student accommodation, I believe. Yep, it looks like it is. Oh, they put the barrier down now. Hi there, this is Deliveroo. I've arrived outside.
Oh, okay. Cool. I'm gonna come back.
Thank you.
Later that same evening.
Now they want us to turn right down there, but I think I'm just gonna do this instead.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
My son, oh, there it is there. Oh, that's easy. Red route, no stopping, perfect. Someone is paying me £6, something, £6.60 delivery for a salad. Seems a bit steep. Last time I was here, I have been here, they were very slow, but very empty. Hi mate, I got 1878. Perfect, thank you. Have a good one. Well, that was not slow at all. That was very fast. Alrighty. So we got our salad. Let's head to Edgware Road.
Edgware Road, the gorgeous one that she should smoke. Pocket rocket one inside my Spencer slow. Still see me with M and Rose, or see me with M and Rose. That's 18 Ks and wax, that's racks and water flows. I'm in a
Wow, what a clusterfuck. Oh, London traffic, don't you just love it? pretty bad. If you're a car. Darn it. Thought I was gonna make that one. Oh my god, my bag just broke. That's not good now. Ooh, beautiful. Very nice. Okay, we're gonna use all lanes. Bumpy.
Eventually.
Hi there. So a lift with random facts. Weird. Hi there.
Thank you. 29.
Perfect. Have a nice night. On to our next one. Which is only 3 minutes away. Beautiful.
2 very boring minutes later.
Perfect. Have a good one. That was unexpectedly fast. Normally all the Chinese places take like good 20 minutes. That's good news for us. Alright, that's the daily cardio done. We get hurt. I mean, I antagonized him there for sure, but yeah, shouldn't be running red lights, dude. Flat 33, okie dokie. Thank you. 31, 36, 5th floor. 5th. Hi there.
The code is 70.
70, perfect. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Time is it? 7:47. I'm gonna start heading back. Oof, that bike looks so goddamn good. Oh my god. Always. Ah, these thieves out here. Oh, that's not good. Flashing E. That's better. You ever running low on fuel? Just turn your bike off and on again. thought he was going to pull out on me there. I think we got a police van behind us. Yep, it was a police van.